Alright, today we're going to replace a ball joint on the driver's front on the BMW. So first we have to go find the ball joint, so let's go do that. We found the ball joint. Alright, now I got to pull the car onto the lift. There you go up. Give her a shaky shaky. We'll come back, we'll get everything torn down and I'll show you what we're doing. All right, here we are. We got this strut disconnected from our spindle and our steering linkage all disconnected. It's a good idea to support your spindle if you're gonna do this. You don't wanna put a bunch of pressure on this brake hose. It will hold it, but it'll also fuck up the brake hose, so good. Anyway, we're gonna try to knock this out. I have some gentle tools and I have some fuck you, get the hell out of there tools. I think that I may start with the fuck you, get the hell out of there tools because I haven't used it before. So let me go get said tool and I'll be right back. This is the fuck around and find out version. We have a bunch of different attachments, but basically this will just beat the ever-living shit out of whatever you're pointing it at. So I just bought this because I had to borrow one at work from 3 different people within 1 week. So I said, all right, I'm gonna buy one. And I got a very expensive one because why not? So yeah, we're gonna try that first and see how it goes. And we'll check back with you when we're done. Okay, there we are. It's removed. We did ding up the housing just a very tiny little bit right here. I'm not going to worry about it. It's going to be fine. Now we just have to install the new part, which we have right here. It's been sitting on my shelf for a while. It's already rusted before we installed it, but it's still pretty good. So we're probably going to use the ball joint press to actually install this properly, but I may start it with a hammer. Just because I'm an absolute psychopath and I like hitting shit. So yeah, it'll just press fit right in there. It's a tight fit, but it'll go. So yay! Here we go, back to time lapse. Alright, some good pressing later. We have installed the ball joint. And now we gotta put everything back together. So, pretty quick. We'll see when it's done. Or we'll see as it's doing it. Just shut up and watch some time lapse. Okay, that's done. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the steering wheel off and see if we can fix the column. It's come loose again. The whole thing's rocking up and down. So we're gonna try to do that. But we're gonna definitely take it apart. I don't know if we're gonna be able to fix it. I actually may need to print something to fix it. Some bushing that's either obsolete or impossible to find, or both. So here goes some time lapse to take it apart the steering wheel. All right, here we are, take it apart. That's what we're trying to fix. There was a bushing between this shell here and the actual steering column case. It's been disintegrated for a while. I've been like repacking it. It's gone. I don't know where it went. It rattled out and fell. It's gone forever. But that's fine. What we're gonna do is we've measured the outside diameter of this piece here, and we've measured / calculated the inside diameter of this piece here, measured the outside, and got close to a good measurement on the wall thickness, and then we subtracted the two, and then we ended up with a good outside diameter. So what we're going to do is we're going to reprint a bushing. We're going to print one out of ABS, and we're going to have it be just slightly more than half a circle, so it should be able to clip down onto this here, and it's going to have a little ridge, so it's not going to be able to fall down in there and get lost. And it's going to clip over this, and it's going to take up all that slack. And hopefully it's a pretty tight fit. We'll pack it with some grease. How to fix that? Maybe we'll just redo that the way it was. Just hold that back on there with a hose clamp. But hopefully that will be able to fix it for now. Eventually, I suppose we can replace the steering column.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.